Squarespace or Framer. Two of the most popular site builders out there, but which one really delivers? On one hand, you've got Squarespace, trusted for its all-in-one simplicity. On the other, Framer, the new kid shaking things up with design flexibility. We're putting them to the test in real-world ways that count, ease of use, design tools, customization, pricing, and support. Forget the flashy features and hype, let's focus on what actually matters. Points get awarded in every category, and at the end, you'll see exactly which one takes the crown. You might be surprised by the winner, let's get into it con. Here's what we're going to look at. Pricing, ease of use, design flexibility, performance and SEO, e-commerce, integrations and extensibility, and the community scene. I'll walk through each one, compare them side by side, and at the end, I'll give you my opinion on which you should pick. Let's kick things off with price. Squarespace bundles everything in one neat package: hosting, templates, a free domain the first year. But, and let's be real, it's on the pricier side, especially if you want to sell online. Framer comes in swinging with a lower starting price and a totally free plan for simple sites, which is honestly awesome for testing stuff out. Although, watch out, the more bells and whistles you add to Framer, the more your monthly bill creeps up. For affordability though, Framer definitely takes the cake here. Now, what about ease of use? Squarespace is almost like idiot-proof, in a good way. You've got this drag-and-drop interface, everything just works, and you can have a site up before you know it. The downside is, if you want to get all nerdy with custom coding, you might feel stuck. On the flip side, Framer gives you a TOE of creative freedom and lets you build wild stuff without code. But honestly, there's a learning curve. Especially if you're new to web design, you'll probably have to poke around a bit. Still, if easy and quick is what matters to you, Squarespace what matters to you. Squarespace what matters to you, Squarespace wins this round. Let's talk design. Squarespace has some beautiful templates, no doubt. But if you've ever felt boxed in or like your site looks just like everyone else's, you're not imagining things. Meanwhile, Framer is basically a playground for designers. A blank canvas where you can tweak everything, layouts, animations, interactions, you name it. The catch? You need to be ready to roll up your sleeves and get a little nerdy. For pure creative freedom, Framer is absolutely the winner here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not have known. Framer actually started out as just a prototyping tool for designers before it jumped into the full website game. Funny how these platforms evolve, right? Let's slide into performance and SEO. Both of these are actually pretty solid. Your site's gonna load fast, you've got built-in SSL on both, and SEO basics are covered. Squarespace can sometimes feel a tad sluggish if you overload it with scripts, so keep that in mind. Framer spits out really clean, modern code, and you can export clean HTML if you want, but you might need to do a little extra work setting up SEO tools. It's basically a tie, and really, for most people, you'll be satisfied either way. Next up, e-commerce. If you want to run an online store, Squarespace has your back. It's all integrated, lots of options for payments, shipping, and you can get started pretty quickly. The only thing that may bug you is the transaction fees. Framer? Well, it's more of a bring your own solution kind of deal. You can set up shopping through plugins, but there's no native built-in commerce stuff yet. So for selling online with minimal hassle, Squarespace is the clear winner, right? Integrations and extensibility. So, Squarespace bakes in a bunch of must-haves, email, analytics, even scheduling. But getting it to play nicely with tons of third-party tools? Let's just say it's limited. On the other hand, Framer is a playground native Figma support, open APIs, a ton of add-ons, even custom code if you need it. Sometimes the setup's a little fiddly, but if you love tinkering and connecting stuff, Framer is your go-to here. Rounding things off with community and ecosystem. Squarespace is like a cozy neighborhood help docs everywhere. 24/7 chat, but super controlled. Framer? It's growing fast. A lot of designers and developers sharing tips, building plugins, constantly releasing cool new resources. Formal support's a little looser, but honestly, if you like being in a creative crowd, Framer feels way more alive. So yeah, Framer gets the nod here. Here's a quick visual rundown. You can really see where Squarespace's all-in-one simplicity stands out and where Framer's flexibility and creative energy just blow past it. They each have their strengths. So here's my take. If you want a site that's easy, looks beautiful out of the box, and you don't want to mess with a bunch of configurations, Squarespace is seriously tough to beat, especially for entrepreneurs or anyone who just wants to launch fast. But if you're a designer at heart or you want to push the internet to do cooler, more interactive things, honestly, Framer is in a league of its own right now. Pick what fits your vibe. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. I've got plenty more breakdowns coming your way so you don't miss the next one.